Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday somebody asked me why did I become a chef. So I'm gonna answer you guys in this little clip. Being a chef, I think you have the endless opportunity to be creative. And in not all fields you could do that. When I walk out to prepare a dish for a guest or to make a dish, I have a lot of thinking that I put into it. I don't just go there and just go. You got to learn flavor profile, learn the science behind cooking, learn at what temperature those molecules in food start reacting to extract what flavor from what you're trying to do. So it's a lot that goes into it that execute good flavors from food. So being a chef to me is a very huge feat because it's very complex. It's not just you just go to work and you just get up and you go cook and say, oh, I'm a chef. Like, once you understand the mindset of chefs, it's a different feeling. It also goes with mentorship. Being a great chef, it's always good to make sure you have people that you're mentoring. You got to develop the future. I always say leaders develop leaders. So being a great chef, you got to have people around you that's passionate about the industry that you can develop and you could groom. And I do. I have some cooks that works for me. I got cooks that work with me, and they're very passionate. They want to learn. They're eager. They're asking questions. They're asking the right questions, and they're coming along great. So being chefs, I think we have endless opportunities to develop, to be creative, to create good food, to teach, to educate. So the world is ours being chefs. So I just want to thank all my subscribers who stuck around and watch me through this whole journey. There's a lot of people out there who played a huge part in my growth as a chef. All over in different aspects. Some more culinary than some more for management type, some more for teach me the game type, if I want to say that, in terms of you got to be more assertive or you got to be less assertive. There's a lot of guys out there who taught me and grew me in my way. I didn't just get to where I'm at overnight. I still got a long way to go in terms of what I'm trying to accomplish and what I want to accomplish and what I will accomplish. But for where I'm at now, I want to thank all you guys who played a part in that.